Public Service Commission UPSC, Finance Commission, Minority Commission, Archaeological Survey of India, Archaeological Survey of India, Baba Atomic Research Center BARC, Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, Forest Survey of India, Geological Survey of India, Indian Science Congress, Indian Council of Agriculture and Research ICAR, Industrial Development Bank of India ADBI, Indian Council of Cultural Relations ICCR, Indian Council of Historical Research ICHR, Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR, Indian Institute of Forest Management, Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India IRBI, Atomic Energy Commission AEC, Backward Classes Commission, University Grants Commission UGC, Zoological Survey of India, Law Commission, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, Central Electricity Regulatory Commission CREC, Central Water Commission CWC, Energy Commission, National Commission for Backward Classes NCBC, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes and Scheduled Caste, National Commission for Women, National Commission for Youth, National Commission on Labor NLC, National Commission on Population, National Knowledge Commission NKC, Staff Selection Commission SSC, Space Commission, Bureau of Indian Standards BIS, Central Administrative Tribunal CAT, Central Bureau of Investigation CBI, Central Electricity Authority CEA, Central Groundwater Board CGWB, Central Pollution Control Board CPCB, Central Statistical Organization CSO, Center for Development of Telematics CDOT, Coffee Board, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, Indian Bureau of Mines IBM, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Indian Meteorological Department IMD, Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts IGNCA, Industrial Development Bank of India IDBI, National Archive of India NAI, National Building Organization NBO, National Council for Teacher Education NCTE, National Defense Academy NDA, National Film Archive of India MFAI, National Safety Council, National Sample Survey Organization NSSO, Press Council of India, Rubber Board, Sahitya Academy, Small Industries Development Organization SIDO, Sports Authority of India SAI,